All right, get ready for this. It looks like they're doing the same thing they did yesterday, where they did their speech. Shit, let's go, camera. Okay, so what you're seeing right now is exactly what they did last night when they got together like a football team. They had two in the front, like coaches, and they were saying, what do we want? Freedom. How do we want it? Fear. When do we want it? Now. It looks like they're about to do the same thing. Although you won't be able to hear it. I'm going to record this and I'll be with you in a sec. What do we want? Freedom. How do we want it? Fear. When do we want it? Now. It looks like they're about to do the same thing. Although you won't be able to hear it. I'm going to record this and I'll be with you in a sec. Look, they're doing a photo shoot. They're so proud of themselves. They are so proud of themselves. Look at this shit. Look at these goofs doing a photo shoot for terrorizing peaceful Canadians. Unbelievable. Well, shit. If that wasn't an amazing shot, I don't know what is. Sorry, I had to skip ahead. I missed tons of chat while recording that on the other camera. What do you think of that? I have no doubt I wasn't even anywhere near that group. And this stupid drunk started mouthing off to the cops and pissed them off. What do you mean if I insist, Queen and O'Connor? I was just there. Wasn't I? No. The hotel is way down the street in front of me. I can't get near the building. I was trying to get to Parliament, to Wellington Street, and I had tools sending me to Somerset for no reason. Good night, live and hope. Oh, look at this shit. Look at this shit, guys. Thanks so much. Look at this. How am I supposed to get to my hotel? Look at this shit. You asked why I didn't go out today. There you go. How did you expect me to? Now how am I going to get back in? Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Check out the green light on his jacket and think about the green lights on the back of the cops' necks. That is 100% a cop instigator. There goes the buses. The Greyhound buses just drove up there. They must be heading down to Queen probably. It's not a cord, it's a fence. They put concrete all across the street with fences on top of it. The yellow cord thing is about 30, 40 feet. You have to cross that and then you get to the fence. And they blocked off the entire hotel. I can't even remember how I got out of there. Look, there goes the buses down there. Oh, that's why they wouldn't bring the pizza last night. It was impossible to. There's nowhere to buy food around here that's not cooked. There's almost nowhere around here to buy food that is cooked. Everything's closed. I think the only thing open is this poutine place. And maybe Subway. Is it empty yet? Almost. Just a sec, chat. Can I get a small poutine, please? You want to get up here? Yeah. All right. Yeah, I got a poutine to go. A poutine to go. Damn, I can't remember how I figured out how to get out of that hotel. Excellente. That tunnel. Basically put fences everywhere that they were standing shoulder to shoulder yesterday. Now I gotta figure out how I got to that tunnel. Got a video about the 4.3 fuel injectors. Now, no, I never had a problem with them. I know a lot of people upgrade them.
Sir?
Yeah.
What do you think of this whole organization that's going on right now?
What do you mean? You mean all the cops?
Yes, sir.
I don't know. What do you think?
Well, I think right now, absolutely in my situation here, I'm going to let go a little bit for you. And I'm upset right now due to the fact of the matter is, I helped out 3.5 weeks here with the truckers.
Uh-huh.
With all the shoveling, cooking, cleaning, I mean, doing everything from top to bottom. And you know what, hauling fuel and this and that, right? Well,
Yeah.
I'm losing my finger tomorrow. They're cutting it off right here.
No way. Do you mind if I show, brother? I had the same problem. Not quite as bad, but I almost lost my fingers too.
Really, eh?
I can't feel my fingertips.
Now look at this hand here. See that hand here? How it's all...
Brother, oh my God.
Okay, so... Anyway.
Oh, bro.
I'm from Pembroke. Been down here 3.5 weeks.
Yeah?
And, worked my ass off here with them. And I didn't realize I worked the bush on my leg that I had got frostbite.
Yeah.
Doing barbecuing and people cooking.
Yeah.
Well, anyways, it had gotten worse now and that. So my fogey had ran out, and I've been a week now without money.
Yeah.
And none of these places are taking people in because of the fact of what's going on with this and that.
Yeah.
So I've been forced to stay at this backpack. It's $30 a night.
The old jail?
No, they have it down in York Street.
Okay.
So anyhow, I believe that with everything going on and this and that, that they should think about other people too that's helped out with all this organization stuff and this and that. Because like I just clean garbage in this building here, top to bottom.
Just a sec, bro.
And everything else. Take up.
Sorry, I just gotta get this in case he says that they did something. We love you, don't worry. Freedom.
We're all supposed to stick together anyways. And the main thing is that I'm grateful for Canada, I'm grateful for everything, I'm grateful for, what's going on, and you know what, I'm grateful for the truckers that, have stuck together, and, if it wasn't for them, we would have nothing.
Yeah.
They do a lot of delivering, they do. All I believe in is freedom, and that we all should stick together. be on the earth today, and I'm grateful to have good people around me and stuff like that. God bless.
Are you hungry?
What, sir? Right now, at the moment, I'm starving. I went
Here.
shoveled the driveways
I just
today.
bought a poutine, bro. You can have it.
Thank you, man.
I'm just gonna take one of the drinks. There's two there.
Sure, man. God bless.
You can have it, brother.
Thank you. God bless you. See? That's freedom, man. I shoveled 2 driveways today. I made $15.
Yeah.
It's gonna make 15 more somehow. And then I got my room for the night. But
You need $15 for the room for the night?
Yes, sir. I'm struggling bad right now. I've never asked for money. I've never panhandled. I've never done anything like that. And I'm in a very difficult spot now in my life where staying strong on the earth, right?
Yeah.
And
Do you have a PayPal I can send money to? Or do you have an email and I can transfer you money?
so here you want to hear the.
I don't have no cash on me. I would just give it to you. I honestly
I
don't.
realize that, but could we just possibly go to a bank machine right there?
Do you know where there is one?
Right here.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Okay, I don't know where they are, bro, but definitely we can do that. No problem, man. Thank you.
Walk just like I do.
Fast? Yeah, my damn fast walking has really worn out my legs in the last 3 weeks.
Return here, it's right there. I love that thing you're holding there. That's amazing how clear that is.
Yeah.
Is it video right now?
Well, it's supposed to be 4K. It looks that way on the phone, but on YouTube it does 720.
Really?
Yeah, I completely understand, brother, because I froze my damn hands down here, and then I had to walk an hour to my vehicle. And one night I got there and my steering wheel was so cold that by the time I got home, I couldn't feel my. No problem, bro. I just thought it's still good and warm for you.
That's awesome. How long does that last?
The gimbal, the stabilizer thing lasts like 3 hours.
That's electric too?
Yeah.
Camera on it? Look at that. It is an actual camera. I've never seen anything like things they got now, eh?
Yeah, me too. I'm from the farm, man. Well, up in Mountain Grove, North Gore.
Oh, I know. We gotta go then right here. There's an outside machine right there.
Is there?
Honestly, I don't even think you walk.
I don't mind the walk, man.
What kind of farm did you grow up on?
All of it, everything, mostly cattle and cash crops, hay and corn, stuff like that.
Tractor and all that then?
Oh yeah.
You're familiar with everything then?
Yeah.
Cash crop, what do you do? Grain? Corn?
Soy.
Soybeans?
Soy and a lot of hay.
Great.
That's
Hay?
it.
You did hay?
No, we didn't need it. We sold it to other people.
Oh, I know that.
My family brought hay out to Alberta for racehorses.
Holy shit. So, if you don't mind me asking, the fields are huge out there.
In Alberta?
Yes.
Yeah, I didn't go there.
Land.
I didn't go there though. They would just get trucked out there.
Yeah, because my ex used to haul grain. We had the fully full trains, right?
Yeah.
And we did trucking out there. We hauled grain. It was amazing.
Right.
I love the truck. Right here, sir.
Okay, give me a sec.
Sir, I'm blessed, honestly.
What?
He said, stay strong. He says, Jesus.
I felt Jesus in the last 3 weeks more than I ever felt in my life.
Unbelievable.
Well, you're about to, brother. You want 20s? Or do you need 5s to pay? Yeah. How the hell do you do this? Well, I'm trying to get you 100, but it won't let me do 20s.
So you just do it and you just say, okay, just hit confirm withdrawal. There you go. 100.
Yeah, if you're going to get your finger cut off, you need to have cash with you, man.
don't know if I can take this money from you now.
You're gonna take it, bro. Don't worry about it. You need it more than I do right now, for sure. Thank you, brother. I'm sorry that happened to you. Don't cry, bro. You're gonna make me cry. Don't do it, man.
You're like a brother. Thank you.
I love you, bro. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. Have a good night, brother.
Hey, listen. God bless.
God bless you too, man.
Thank you, sir.
Take care, bro. Whew. This was the best we could do. Here we got cops coming again. Holy smokes, there's lots of them. Look at that. I need this for my movie. Oh yeah, they're all gonna come right down the bridge. This is gonna be an amazing shot. Now I gotta zoom you out so you can see. All right, so that was 40 cops. Oh, this truck's not from town, guaranteed. That's a real heavy record. It's a nice one. Oh, I wish I could be down there getting. Oh, there's a sign on the door. It says RCMP. It looks like either the Ottawa Police badge or the RCMP badge on the door. That's all right though. You know, the wonderful thing about tow truck companies is they're very, very, very proud of their fleet. And they always put pictures of their fleet online. Look at these goofs. Can't believe it. He's got no front license plate. So he's either being allowed to drive illegally and hide by the cops, or he came from Quebec, where you don't need a front license plate. However, I don't believe he came from Quebec because the side of the truck says 24 hours, and it doesn't look like it was written in French. I've never seen this truck before. Where's the other guy? Oh, they got a forklift down. Oh my God, what are they doing? They got a forklift down there on the end of a, what is that, a loader? Look at what they're doing. Look at this. They're picking it up and dropping it with a forklift. They're separating the trailer. What? They're going to smash the dog legs. They're dragging it backwards with a forklift. Not a forklift, but a loader with fork blades on it. Well, this is what I wanted. I wanted to catch them dragging things around that don't belong to them. Why would you do this? What a goof. I really wish I was down there to tell this guy what a goof he is. I'm not as upset with this guy because he's taking the U-Haul truck, which is not a personally owned vehicle. But that U-Haul truck is still here for our freedom and our rights, which makes this guy a goof. Look at, why do they all have their lights on down there now? What in the world? Oh, you can't see. Just a sec. And there was just 4 cop cars in the intersection, all with their flashing lights. Yeah, so look at that truck. From this distance, you cannot read a name if it was on the door, but you certainly would recognize that truck if it drove by and you knew it. I love that. You're missing. They're removing trucks. Some are leaving voluntarily. Oh, yeah? Well, we watched them steal a few. We just seen the guy on the screen driving the pickups to you, too. I'm pretty sure that's Abrams. Don't do any reviews or anything like that. Oh, my God. Look at how many cops are coming now. You see, this hotel is completely surrounded by them. I put the camera back like this because I got to use the other camera to record the Gestapo coming up there to the party. Wow. Here comes another whole gang of them from the left of the screen. Holy smokes, there is a lot. Wow. Looks like the cops are beating on shields or something together and making like a war drum type beat. Wow, there's a lot. Like, here's more. Look at this. They're coming to the hotel right now. No, they won't be treated nicely at all. If you just got here, while I was trying to find a route that I could actually get to this hotel, there's like a tunnel road behind the hotel, and it was like 3 lanes wide, full of cop cars and paddy wagons, ambulances, and there was a whole bunch of people arrested before I got here, and they were all just sitting in the back seats of the cop cars with not many cops around. There was some, but there definitely wasn't gangs of them like this, and I have no idea how long those people were stuffed into the back of those cars, but the cars weren't running, and yeah, those people could have been extremely cold with no way to warm themselves up, which is it's a mild form of torture, actually. You know, what do you do if you're freezing to death and can't get warm? Nothing. You just suffer while you die. So yeah, speaking of them not being treated very nicely in jail, they were not treated very nicely before they even got there. Not to mention that everyone that we've watched be recorded from or arrested from here, they've all been completely covered in snow, which as soon as they get to the warmth of jail, their clothes are going to be soaking wet. I got my door locked, 2 deadbolts from the inside. If they went in here, they're going to have to kick it down, and you'll get to see it. All right, they're stealing another truck now in the bottom of your screen. That's the one they dragged the trailer off of the fifth wheel with the loader with the forks. We got another tow truck down there. The flatbed with the black car on it. The gang's walking right past it. This is a good shot. Back up right now. Oh, it's so hard to not yell. There's not a window, but there's like a slot with a screen you can open. It is so hard to not tell that guy what I think. But I can't really afford to get kicked out of this hotel, so I'm not going to yell out the window and be stupid. He weren't for life, yep. Roberta Paulson is a meme from Fight Club. Oh, yeah? Okay, we have... it's just the guy cleaning the street with the load. Oh, no, he's got forks. What is he doing? What in the world is this guy doing? Why do you have the forks pointed down like this? Okay, he's going to start moving the big red one. I got to use the other camera and get on him. This is really good footage. Your chain is too long, dum-dum. Lower the blades, shorten the chain, lift the wheels off the ground. These guys have no idea what they're doing. I cannot believe they were able to find people to do this. I can't believe it. The idiot in the loader is literally looking at an upside-down Canada flag attached to the back of the truck that he's yanking out of there. And the country's in distress, obviously. He knows it. Oh, wow, he's going to crash. Oof. A cop almost crashed. He came flying up that road and he almost put it right into the wall on the passenger side. Where is he? Right there, look at these idiots. They were flying up the center of this road, and then all of a sudden it went squirrely and they almost put it into the wall on the side of the bridge. I'll put you back on the cops. And I'll watch those two that are down there by the wall. Wow, that was close. It went like fishtailing down the road and you almost put it right into the wall. Dangerously, and the tow truck drivers hate them because they're trying to give them tickets and stuff while they're trying to race to the call to be the first one to get the job, you know. If you look closely, you can see your friend on the sidewalk. Plow guy going through. Yeah, I seen him. I got some footage of him. We love you, America. Don't worry, we're enraged with Trudeau too. Street racing, yeah. Anything that you, I think it's 40 kilometers an hour now. It used to be 50 over the speed limit, and it was considered street racing. I think they lowered it to 40 kilometers an hour though. Anything 40 or 50 over the posted speed limit is considered street racing, even if you're driving alone. And it's pretty serious. It's like, don't quote me, but I think it's like a $5,000 fine and you lose your vehicle for 30 days. Yeah, it's kind of hard to make a living as a tow truck guy when you lose your tow truck. So they don't normally get along because they used to have police contract here and they would change every couple of years because there was only 2 towing companies here. But now all hell's broken loose with the towing industry and it's kind of like Uber. You want to be a tow truck guy? Doesn't matter. Just get a truck and go to work. Half of them don't have names. Half of them don't have insurance. And yet now, first person on the scene usually gets the call. I hear a lot of cheering out there now. Days. It's going to take at least a month to make the movie. We need VIN numbers. Yeah, that would be nice. But don't worry. Tow trucks are very easy to recognize because there's a lot of people like me who happen to love tow trucks. I always love tow trucks because well, I've driven them. I'm not a nurse or a doctor or anything, not a fireman, nothing like that. But somewhere on the scale, tow truck drivers are like heroes. You know, when somebody's stuck, broken down, crashed, having a bad day, needs a boost, ran out of gas, they're in the middle of an intersection, locked out, you become a hero to them for a few minutes. All right, what are we doing here? We're towing up, we're dragging her out. I gotta get this shot. Oh, he's at least got the wheels up. Dumb. The guy driving that tow truck looks like Uncle Fester from the Addams Family. Fat, bald, and a squishy looking face. They're taking the burn barrels off the roof. Oh, I think he just smashed the windshield with the burn barrel. Okay, it sounds like shooting out there. Can you hear that? It may not be gunshots, but it's definitely not fireworks. Yeah, they're shooting something. So I really wanted to make it here and had to sacrifice that shot. USA has your back. And we've got the guns. That's right, you do. I think the only thing that's allowing them to come in here with this tyrannical behavior to do what they're doing is the fact that they know that they're the only ones with guns. Not that I want to see a shootout or anything like that. I just don't think they would come here and throw their weight around if they weren't the only ones armed. Pipe fitters, and they had all kinds of women and men walking around with like their union hard hats and stuff, and they were coming down. The trades were coming down to show support. There was also a ton of veterans down here yesterday. It looked like active military members down here yesterday. Lots of kids, more dogs than I've ever seen. It was really starting to come together yesterday. Walking around, and I'm not sick at all, but when it's like -20, your nose runs. You know, and I was thinking, oh my goodness, like these people all wearing masks outside. If my nose is running and I'm not sick, well, their nose is probably running too, and it got like, you know, comes out of your nose, all on the inside of their mask and then running down to their mouth, and I'm like, oh my god, that's just so gross. Now when they take the damn mask off and put it somewhere, it's like that thing has got to be covered on the inside with, you know what? You know, it's like, talk about your super spreader. Wearing a mask outside and running freaking nose drippings into it is just disgusting. My fingertips are starting to come back to making sure it was not cops arguing about coming here. Give me a sec. Okay, what did you say? Anti-Canada Day parade. That's funny. Are they always quiet? For the most part, yeah. That would be epic for the delivery driver. Order and let us be witness. For the delivery driver to come to my door. Okay. I might do that for you. I won't be able to order though unless I turn off the stream so I can use my phone. It sounded like cops out there. It sounded like really speaking with authority. And I went and looked through the people. So for James, for your service and being here, yes, TH, we are live. We are live. Any babushka tonight? Now I checked the fridge. I was going to splurge and get some alcohol out of the fridge, maybe a drink for your enjoyment, but the fridge is completely empty. Spoke with the woman's family. She's okay. Yeah, they tore their decals off, but look at this dum-dum. Like, come on. Almost every tow truck is unique. Well, I shouldn't say that. There's a company called Unique Towing, and they're definitely not here. You would recognize them from a mile away because their trucks are completely bright orange. Yep, I am taking notes of these trucks for sure. These are a very important part of the movie. These are the Freedom Destroyers right now. These are traitors. The thing is, though, is I'm a welder fabricator, right? So someone like me, I look at the way things are built, and whoever built them, you know, how they went about designing it and doing it, and how I would improve it, and you know, I take ideas that they have that are better than what I know, and you know, when you analyze tow trucks like that, which a lot of people like me do, it doesn't matter if the name's on it, you know who it is. So although they might not be local here, I'll guarantee you that the light placements or something will give it away to someone who is a Freedom believer, and they'll be outed. Traders for $1, yeah. Yep. What do you got? Like maybe $300 for moving that truck? Like, good grief. Stunt, read this, please. Was just given out at the shed stream. Please read what I post. Should I scroll up or are you going to post it? No, I'm paying attention. I don't see it. Or so. I'm going to go look for the pool again. I actually got so into watching the towing that I forgot about it. In the Chateau Laurier? In the front door? In my hotel? Yeah, when I shut the stream down, I'll check my email, and I'll order some food, and then I'll start the stream up again, and I'll let you see when the food guy comes, and I will ask him what the road is like to get down here, if they still have all the checkpoints and stuff. Zoom in on that flag down the street by the post. Flag. You mean the one on the ground? Oh, this coffee's a lot better. I reused the same bag. Now it's not nearly as strong. Whoa, look at all the cops. What in the world? I leave for 2 seconds. Interesting. Millions and millions. Yep, probably. The Third Reich is looking proud today. Yep. Yep. Carry those helmets. I think those are just normal. No, wait, they are. Wait, just a sec. I'm going to zoom in with the other camera. Whoa, what is going on here? It looks like they're about to flood the hotel. Holy shit. I'm going to point you up. Oops. There's one night where I got to my vehicle and then I had to drive 15 minutes holding on to the -20 steering wheel, which is like hanging onto a block of ice for 15 minutes when you already have dangerously cold fingers. It's dangerous, big time. You know, I've grown up in Canada. I know exactly what it's like. I had, when I was a kid, I had my ears separate from my head and crack and bleed from frostbite. It's no joke. Cops are on the move. Yep. I wonder where they're going because they're heading straight towards a fence. What in the world are they doing? I gotta get a shot of this. They're like doing the Gestapo walk. Oops. Where are they going? I gotta use the other camera. Oh, where is it? That is so strange. They're heading to the fence that's blocked off. Those are the guys that put up the fences? I'm not sure. They are definitely complicit in treason. Definitely. I'm trying to remember how I had this set up so it pointed down. I need my battery. Oh, where is it? Wow. Holy smokes. Okay, I need to record this too. Holy. Wow. Now that's the Gestapo shot. Holy shit, there's tons of them. This is so weird. I'll aim you now. So you can see them, they're all just standing there. Half of them went by, and the other half are just standing there. Look at them. They look so intimidating like that. It's almost like having a foreign military or something here. It's like, who are these people? I don't recognize them, but they're armed and they're ready to do some serious things. Their brains are being equipped with new firmware. The Goof Gang. Oh, look at them all cheering themselves on. Great job, guys. You tear gassed and pepper sprayed all kinds of Canadians. Oh, I wish I would have had that on the big camera. Come on, do that again. Cheer yourselves on. Oh, wow, here comes another gang of them. Wow. Can you hear what they're saying? I'll be right with you. I gotta study this shot. Here we go. Gestapo shot for sure. March, Gestapo, march. There we go. Wow, that was crazy. Could you hear what they were yelling out before they clapped and left? They were saying, what do we want? Freedom. And how do we want it? Fear. When do we want it? Now. What they just did was create freedom. Ha! Yeah, right. They are definitely on their way somewhere. Oh, wow. The cars are leaving?